Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Before that I want to say thank you so much for all of the happy birthday messages. I really appreciate it, and hopefully you can just show the love by hitting like, not even start watching video yet, just press like right down below. Just press like and leave on comment from now, because every week me I want to go about it. Please just leave a like, and if you don't subscribe, just come subscribe from now. Alright, let's get into the social media countdown. Number 10, Pepita talks. People, if you did our Miss Religious Heart Talk this week, you missed quite one episode. Pepita came to go talk with Ian Boyne about all her life, how the struggles them, what was happening when they never did see her on TV, because as you know, back in the day, she used to host Intense.
Ping Pong Fridays, welcome to Intense, how are you? Cute.
But she is back to tell all.
We were doing bad things.
You're doing bad things.
And I didn't feel good. You know, I didn't do the exhortation.
You were giving exhortation, you're sitting down there, and you know you're sleeping with it.
I gave exhortations too.
You used to give exhortation.
Right.
Both exhorters were sleeping together. Yeah.
Yeah. When I like people that episode, why?
But me couldn't say nothing because me know me a one.
All the best here, Pepita. Number 9, Wall Up. So the other day, dancehall artist Ding Dong was at Mobay Crab Festival.
If you catch a mother thief when you find out say you're police, would you lock up your mother? You're going to be a nice corporal. If you catch yourself a thief, would you lock up yourself?
It's a real future 5-0 that you know. So anyway, the time came for one of the kids to receive a prize, and Ding Dong was supposed to be the prize giver when this unexpected moment happened.
He's a cop! Wallace, big up yourself, you. You want to say, no! No!
Oh God, Not gonna lie, if me had the pit there, would have shame bad. I'll know more than a ball. Well, I guess this is dancehall and there are just certain cultural norms within the space where I guess a young kid just going to have to learn. And on that particular day, Ding Dong just decided to be the teacher.
It's when you put your shirt. Not naturally. What?
Numero 8, Rasta War. No man people, the video is kinda sorta old, but me just did have to share it anyways because it is supposed to go for a long time countdown, but me kinda forget. So internet star / vlogger King Tavi,
if it's 90 degrees down here, it gots to be 90 degrees on the sun,
went viral some time ago when this video surfaced with him fighting with a Rasta man.
Two real punk bugs them now. Yeah man, two real punk bugs man. Ras versus Ras. Classico.
I'm not gonna lie people, things got quite silassified quite quickly. What the hell does that mean? Waska! Waska!
Sabral! Get them! Locks pop! Locks up on ground! Locks pop!
Me next string!
Badness! No madness! Badness! No madness! Don't stop! Locks pop! Locks pop! From here! Locks pop! I joke this! Yeah man!
I can't even watch the rest side. Number 7, heads high. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. Mr. Vegas, what could have thou causes this?
Now let us side. Church side is nice, our side is nice.
I just got started. What you think one wrong can do? Bump to your forehead.
Hashtag bag juice, hashtag french fries, hashtag Pepsi. As in legit, I don't know what to say. The man was just having ice cream. You can't just let him be.
When I see me post me look a video, they might eat me look ice cream and I go on and act foolish. I just laugh more and people laugh more time because...
And now check out the random video of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, introducing your first birthday of the evening. Give it up for Ivan Cruz.
They see me rolling, hating, controlling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty.
Number 6, Cranium Strength. Nobody nothing knows, say me and you are. Miss Center Table. So Cranium did on stage recently when he decided to go and draw for a sturdy, silly, posturpedic, wap fluffers of a woman. could lift up 42 million Gaza Slim.
Are you so strong, or is the weakness in me?
Number 5, toddler drop.
That's the angel. Hey, look, Moses.
Here he, here she, here we. Oh gosh, people, I just love a good drop. There is just something innately humorous about when somebody just spread out bluff pan ground like one overripe breadfruit. I don't know, it just makes for instant laughter. The dancehall artist Harry Toddler is on stage, right? I do him like a performance at a show and just watch.
No, they put up on night to my hand and no anybody. No, there is a man. Abu Yay! I want you to start there. I'll say big up yourself. I'm Big Pop. Be a girl chat you. Be a bit.
Don't run in. Oh God. Number 4, Schoolers Wild. Me rampa. So this year video surfaced this week, and let's just say that in true Michael Jackson fashion, it left me speechless. Till me end up a transforming a JPS and I ask,
How come?
Hey, move. Yo, barman alone can't stuck it out with though. Yo! Barman alone, dog. Yo, there you go. Fill up pump, fill up.
him just start learn about osmosis. Him think said wall was like a semi-permeable membrane. Bomba Berry, you remember that from high school? And yes, it's a Calabar youth, big up Robert Lack, some more for say utmost for the highest, even when you chuck through a wall. But you know, it would kind of be funny if I did case him, cause still, you know, the purple and white. Because then, we could have changed their motto to, the brave may wall, but never flee. And now it is our time for the big up segment! Woo! So first up, I want to say big up to dancehall artist Konshens for his success with Turn Me On music video. Can't believe it, 1 million views in just 6 days.
Turn me on, turn me on, turn me.
Also want to big up dancehall artist Suspense and Simatic on winning Magnum King and Queen for 2017. And next I want to go and big up the JPS Power Smart Energy Challenge show with me and Yendi. It is on TVJ Monday at 8:30, so make sure that you go and check it out, yeah? I kinda like how that like a vibe there go.
The JPS Power Smart Energy Challenge, the Smart Home Edition. Watch teams compete for the chance to win $1 million in cash and smart home prizes. Electrify your Monday nights along with Yendi and Rashane Duddy Berry. Starting.
And people, oh my god, I'm so excited. Guess what? So, you know, I've been on YouTube for like over 6 years now. Long time I struggle on YouTube from when I could have barely have like 5 followers. And now I have over 100,000 subscribers, 100,000 plus burritos that are just rooting for me on YouTube. And you know, when you're on YouTube and you have over 100,000 subscribers, you get something called a play button. And guess what, people? It Boxwood came. YouTube sent me this and it reached me just 2 days before my birthday. But I never opened it until my birthday, of course. I'm going to show it to you. This is to basically congratulate me on achieving this milestone. Oh my gosh, hold on. So this is one letter where them basically say, big up Dutty Berry, thank you for all your hard work and your persistence on YouTube. And this is a way, a little token of appreciation. And here it is, people. This is the play button. I want ball right now. I literally want ball. I opened it when I was at my birthday party. It nearly dropped, but this means so much to me because I'm not a gold medal like you saying, won't forget. I'm not, you know, I'm not too sure about the Grammy and them, look something there. But this is like my little Grammy. This is like my little gold medal. So, you know, big up YouTube for this, and the next stop is 500,000 subscribers. So just continue telling your family members, your friends, your loved ones to just subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show. It's a lot of hard work, but just seeing a comment, it make everything just worth it. Big up to all of the UE people them from when me I got pure and applied and move over to humanities and I struggle with me little video them, with me little laptop and all of these things. Big up all of the people them that support me from them time there until now. Them friends there, yeah, me not gonna mention the whole on the name, but Deborah, Tanique, Philando, Kim, Kimaya, like, it's just Mike, Shanna, Nasi, you know, big up the new people like Team Awesome. Like, it's just crazy bag of people that just always are root for me and support me. Big up all of the burritos them. Alright, if you don't know, because it's a ton of Oscar speech. Them so run me off. Number 3, Ranking Pumpkin.
Them vex. Chew me a Japanese.
Oh my god. So Ranking Pumpkin, the second place, so what you call it, winner in the Magnum King and Queens of Dancehall season. We don't know which season it is, but yeah, the finals are going one day. They kind of left the competition a little bit disgruntled, and she took to Facebook to express herself about the concerns and all of the struggles that she faced during the competition.
Why you chat so much? Why you talk so much? Why your mouth so loud? You just a lover.
Honestly, I never really read the letter. From it have more than 3 paragraphs. I'm not really that interested. But basically, she said that, you know, she had to deal with a lot of racist comments from some of the judges in the competitions and from the people, the general public. And yeah, and since then, people have kind of mixed views. Some people agree with her, some people disagree with her. But what I would like to know is, what are your thoughts? And now check out the hot shots of the week. Number 2, pool rights. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling cherry pie. So this brother there one pool party, I enjoy a little wine in the tub from our one girl Zine. When then out of nowhere, Mrs. Equal Rights and Justice brand ambassador decided that she needed to go and intervene for the man for it.
Bumper to your forehead.
No sir, this is a wickedness. Hang on. And number 1 goes to Konshens versus I-Octane. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So basically, Konshens was in Miami one day for the best of the best concert when him kind of got a parking lot and buck up say him range got vandalized.
And them key the range. Yeah? See alright, so them put the curve in the little angle. Pussy. Yeah. I don't know who's still about it. Valley man them say he's a Rasta youth with big belly and them have locks.
Wait there. You know, said could have be Fantan Moja though.
They're wishing for me to fall.
But the fans them slash the public never want to hear that at all. Them do the maths and apparently the big belly Rasta man description fit right at I-Octane split ends.
A boy can try relax on me, I wash it and a flash.
Just in case you never know, I-Octane and Konshens are a friend for a long time. A good little while now.
Like me not like I-Octane.
So then in usual dancehall style, you know it was only a matter of time before Footer Hive find him way in the middle of the conversation.
No deal all long. You see me? I'ma feel like Konshens tired of it. And I say you want to take it to the Rasta boy.
Konshens never take too kindly to that, so he came out like point of information.
Footer, that be a look like eyeglass.
Then I-Octane could not be outdone, so he had took to his Instagram to make it known how flawless and how good of a job he is doing moisturizing his skin.
Me no join one bag of teeth and lip. Looking at my face, smooth though. No boy can't bust it and never bust it. Yeah, that correct.
Ah gosh, I really don't know what to say, people. Easy for a Konshens to go bad, and I-Octane, he wanna be bad forever. Don't need no reason. It's funny, the two artists them start out as good reggae conscious artists, and now the two of them are defend badness. Well, that is it, Burritos. Thank you so much for watching another Dutty Berry social media top 10 countdown. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share. I know every week I ask you, I beseech you for just like, comment, and share, and somehow don't do it. So let me just give you a little 10 seconds before you can do it. Underneath here, so you're supposed to see a like button. Just press like. Me I go wait. You press the like. Me I wait for the like, you know. You see, after you press the like, go in the comments and just leave one. Just leave a comment. Say thumbs up, Berry. You know, I say I try. Big up your little pasta outfit. Give me a little thumbs up. Give me a little clap, a little word of encouragement. Send me a little email. Something. Because I will leave a work, I will leave a little work. You can't leave a little one comment. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. The button is right here below. And if you want to email me to book me, or you know, for promotion or whatever it be, you know, you can just send me an email to duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright? Take care until next time.